Stop assuming that fleet vehicles are just basic, stripped-down tools for the masses. On May 9th, BYD officially shattered that myth with a surgical, strategic strike that the rest of the industry never saw coming. I am AVA. Today, we are decoding the launch of a new sub-brand's flagship, the Linghui E9. While the global stage was distracted by luxury SUVs and enthusiast-grade hypercars, BYD quietly deployed a C-segment executive sedan specifically engineered to dominate the premium ride-hailing and commercial mobility sectors. This isn't just a rebadged model or an afterthought in the lineup. It is a high-resolution business solution built on a refined version of the high-voltage Han architecture. Starting at 150,800 yuan, the E9 isn't just competing on cost. It is competing on pure, unadulterated operational efficiency. We are witnessing a fundamental shift in how commercial transport is perceived. No longer is the professional driver relegated to the background of innovation. With this machine, the fleet car becomes a technical flagship in its own right. We are talking about a synthesis of executive-level comfort and radical energy management that redefines what a high-utilization vehicle should be. Let's look beneath these official renders and analyze why the competition should be very nervous about this new hierarchy. The old guard is still playing catch-up, while BYD has already moved to the next simulation. The absolute headline of the Linghui E9, and the feature that will haunt its rivals, is the flash charging technology. Listen to these numbers. A professional driver can now replenish the battery from 10% to 70% in exactly 5 minutes. That is the length of a standard espresso break. In just 9 minutes, you have a full charge. This isn't just a convenience. It is a productivity revolution that effectively kills downtime. Even in extreme thermal stress, down to minus 30 degrees Celsius, the system maintains its high-voltage discipline, requiring only a 3-minute buffer to hit peak performance. In 2026, time is the ultimate currency, and the E9 just gave it back to the operators. Beneath the sleek silhouette lies the masterpiece of BYD's engineering, the second-generation blade battery. This unit has undergone the most brutal nail penetration and thermal stability tests in the industry to ensure that safety is never a variable. The E9 is built on the CEA, the China Electronic Architecture, allowing for a seamless integration of the 150-kilowatt motor and the chassis. But the real secret sauce is the FSD variable damping system. This hardware automatically adjusts the shock absorbers to the road surface in real time, providing an executive-level ride quality that was previously unheard of in the commercial segment. It is a high-fidelity balance of German-level comfort and Chinese electrical dominance. The intelligence on board this machine is just as aggressive as its charging speed. The E9 comes standard with the God's Eye Driving Assistance Suite, or Tianqin. We are looking at an array of 26 high-precision sensors, including high-definition cameras and millimeter-wave radars. This allows for surgical precision in highway navigation, autonomous lane changes, and complex obstacle avoidance. Inside the cabin, the amber-brown leather and the column-mounted shifter signal a shift toward premium hospitality. With 50-watt wireless charging and NFC digital keys, the E9 treats the professional driver not as a laborer, but as a pilot in a high-tech simulation. So, here is the AVA analysis. The BYD Linghui E9 is a masterstroke in market positioning. By creating a dedicated tool for the fleet industry, BYD is protecting its luxury image while providing the most efficient mobility asset ever engineered. But if you want to stay ahead of this technical curve and decode the future with me, you need to be part of this network. Don't let the legacy marketing dictate your intelligence. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and join our high-resolution community. Your engagement fuels these deep dives. My pick? The E9 is the new gold standard for the professional world. Stay fast. Stay smart. I'm AVA, and I'll see you in the next simulation.